Hi, welcome to Mandala Analytics. This is the first tutorial for the Getting Started series. We will talk about keyword settings, which are considered one of the most important concepts when working with Mandala Analytics. Some people who are unfamiliar with digital marketing terms are still wondering what keywords are, so we want to make that clear right away. Put simply, the first word key represents a key to unlock, and words are just words. A keyword can be anything. It could be an object, a name, or a noun, such as a brand name, product name, competitor's brand, product category, trend, issue, topic, questions, or context. A keyword could be anything as long as it is related to your search objectives. But let's get one concept out of the way. Many people have asked the difference between a keyword and a hashtag. The simple answer is that they are the same. There is no difference at all. This is because hashtags only come with the hash symbol at the front of the words to make the content more discoverable. Mandala Analytics works like Google or YouTube because it collects, stores, and retrieves the data for you. But what makes Mandala Analytics different? It excels most at turning data from social media and websites into valuable business insights. You simply put in a set of keywords into Mandala Analytics. The proprietary AI system will do the rest, such as finding the data and turning it into insights. So we use keywords to search and find information on inquiries. This is very much how we search in Google. For example, I am really hungry right now. I don't know which home delivery service to order my food from, so I type in the sentence, "Find a restaurant near me." This sentence is considered a keyword. Once we hit the Enter button from Google or any search console, it will automatically match the words and return with the most appropriate information. Mandala Analytics works the same way. You see, finding and knowing what keywords are related to social mentions is an excellent way to gain insights surrounding your business. However, it is important to know the right keywords. If you're using the wrong ones, the system will return with inaccurate and irrelevant information. Therefore, keyword input for any search engine and a social listening tool like Mandala Analytics is important to get it right the first time. For marketers, sales, and customer support, keywords are essential because they reveal market demands and customer needs. By knowing keywords, we can get information on what is trending, how people are talking about our products, or even topics generated from within an industry. Moreover, you can gain insights by studying competitors' keywords. One thing we cannot stress enough is the process of doing some homework on the keywords before using them in Mandala Analytics. We call this keyword studies, and it should be clear and accurate from the beginning. If we use the wrong set of keywords, the information we want to use will be unspecific, too broad, or too narrow, which may not be suitable for analyzing insights, particularly when formulating a business plan. For example, if we want to study fried chicken, the main keyword is fried chicken. However, there must be other related keywords when people talk about fried chicken. To find them, we need more studies. So how can we do that? To get started, we want to know which keywords are popular and relevant to our objectives. Fried chicken. There are two things to look out for. The first is the search volume. This tells us how often people search for this word. The second indicator is engagement, which refers to people's reactions to a post, such as giving a like, retweeting, sharing, and commenting. Obviously, you may recognize some keywords straight away, and others you may not be familiar with. Therefore, keywords can be classified into two groups. The first keyword group includes some things that are familiar, known, and relevant to you. We'll call this group known keywords. Examples are your brand keywords, competitor names, product categories, issues, influencers, or famous figures, and even a topic trending in your business and industry. The second group is called unknown keywords, which are primarily related concepts you have never realized before. Examples are keywords and hashtags associated with a product that you never knew existed. These are keywords you may never have heard of or thought about, but turned out to be popular and relevant and deserved to be selected. To conclude, we would look for keywords with a high search volume, which often have many topics and mentions generated from them. Next, look for the amount of engagement. Additionally, you need to watch for other related keywords and hashtags that you may have never heard before but are extremely popular. Nevertheless, there are several techniques to find the right keywords. Don't worry, we will cover this in the second part of the video series. After doing some research and preparing the keywords, we can use them in Mandala Analytics. So let's try to understand how Mandala Analytics operates with keywords. The first is the keyword set, which is a category type that covers both premium and regular keywords. You may have as many keyword sets representing several dimensions or information categories as you wish to work with. What are the differences between premium and regular keywords? Premium keywords are unique, and you may want to give them special attention because they signal Mandala Analytics to search and collect data first, very much like a fast lane. This means they will find the most data for you in the shortest amount of time. After that, the system will begin collecting data for regular keywords. However, please bear in mind that the number of keywords available for you to use would depend on the type of subscription package you are subscribed to. Let's see some exciting keywords that might be useful for any marketing and sales team. Brand keywords and hashtags are a must. In addition, your competitors' brands and hashtags will come in handy when monitoring their movement. Other interesting keywords include market and industry keywords, product category, the name of a store branch, retailers and suppliers' names, product and model names, names of events, or other relevant topics. For example, the objective is to gather data and social insights into fried chicken. Therefore, a keyword set should include popular fried chicken brands and franchises, food industry-specific keywords such as fast food, fried food categories such as fried chicken menu or French fries, popular price tags, and promotion keywords such as fried chicken plus price or fried chicken plus promotion. These are just some examples. Current and trending keywords are also important, and you can also use them as part of your business plan. By searching in Google Trend or Twitter Trend, you can find many exciting buzzworthy keywords. Trending keywords are generally related to viral topics, influencers, and celebrities. By analyzing these trending keywords, you can identify the issues, pain points, and interesting topics to explore. The most important thing to consider is to use your creativity and play around with the keywords in addition to verifying them. These are regarded as some of the essential fundamentals of keyword study. Now, we have covered the key concepts in gaining an understanding of keywords. In the following video, we will go through all the details of setting up keywords so that you can make the most use of Mandala Analytics. See you soon.